We find Eleanor is born in France and then herself would be educated in convents set up for the education of young ladies, aristocratic young ladies in France, and would remain there and would always be a Francophile. Loved France, loved the French language, French culture. The Butlers of Kilkenny Castle had been in Ireland since the Norman invasions in the 12th century, had been very, very powerful during the Middle Ages, had lost some status and power and lands due to the penal laws because they had remained Catholic, but they were very much part of the Anglo-Irish ascendancy and that long 18th century where you see the establishment of the Anglo-Irish ascendancy, the building of great big houses, a society developing in which marriages were made, in which young ladies were brought up, and Eleanor Butler is very much born into that society as a daughter of a big house.